In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a read-only share link in Webflow. This tutorial is perfect for when you want to share your work with others, such as clients or team members, but you want to ensure they can only view it without making any changes. Creating a read-only link is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening up your Webflow site editor, where you're ready to showcase your fantastic designs and innovative layouts. Now, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Share button. This button is your gateway to securely sharing your hard work. Clicking on this button opens a menu that presents you with a variety of sharing options tailored to your needs. In this menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Can Share Read Only Link. This toggle is the key feature that allows you to maintain control over who can access your site and what they can do with it. By switching this toggle on, you're telling Webflow you're ready to create a link that allows others to view your masterpiece but not make any alterations. It's a reassuring way to keep your work intact while still letting others explore what you've created. Once you activate that toggle, a unique read-only link will appear right before your eyes. This link is special because it gives the recipient a tour of your site while keeping your design locked tight. All you need to do now is copy the link. With a simple drag of your mouse or a quick tap on your trackpad, you can highlight the link and copy it using either a right-click or the convenient keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now that you've got the link safely copied, you're free to share it with anyone you choose, be it a client eagerly awaiting to see their project take shape, or a team member providing you with valuable feedback. By distributing this read-only link, you grant them access to witness your hard work in its full glory without the risk of accidental changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a read-only share link in Webflow, ensuring your designs remain intact while showcasing your creativity. It's a simple yet powerful tool to add to your Webflow repertoire, one that strikes a perfect balance between collaboration and security. Feel free to use this whenever you're ready to exhibit your work with control. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Webflow experience. Let's keep creating with confidence and sharing with assurance.